Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures. Oliver, I haven't spoken to you in a while. He's in Chicago. This was like a tale of two trading days in one day almost. When I did the radio show this morning, I had a little pep in my step because it was going to be a good one. But boy, oh boy, that didn't work out.
Yeah, it came out of the gates really strong, especially in that wheat market, as you had mentioned, trading about 20, 21 cents higher than where we're currently at. A lot of traders have been looking for a little bit of a blow-off top in this overbought market. Potentially today is the day, but as we always say, the tops and bottoms are a process, not necessarily a point. The bulls still in clear control of the technical landscape until we break and close back below that psychologically significant $8 handle. And with that $8 handle also brings into play next week's December options expiration. A lot of times around those big strikes, those even money strikes like the $8 handle, that's where a lot of the open interest is, and we could gravitate towards that. Now, as far as the corn and beans go, beans have been trading significantly higher too, but corn has really been the laggard and just been reluctantly trading higher along with soybeans and wheat here throughout this week's trade. So if wheat and soybeans continue to soften up a little bit, I wouldn't be surprised to see that put a little bit of a headwind in the corn market.
Yeah, it's been an interesting one, and you know, there's the thing I like about it the most, Oliver, is that each one, say corn, wheat, and beans, they all have their own storyline here. Really, I mean, a little bit independent of each other, right? So corn's going to be fighting for acres against, say, you know, spring wheat wherever you are, or maybe cotton wherever you are, and beans maybe too. And then beans have got you know, a trend line that we're dealing with here, and we've got some other things in South America, so that's got its own story. And then obviously we've got a shortage of, you know, decent wheat. So I love it. It's going to give us, or you and I, a lot to talk about for the next 6 to 12 months. So stay seated.